Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to unbox the ULANZI U-80L Arca-Swiss cold shoe ball head. Now, I'm going to be putting this ball head on this tripod. Now this Joby Gorilla tripod does come with a nice little head on it. Quick release, but it is not Arca-Swiss. So I do have on the big camera right there, I do have the Arca-Swiss on that, and I want to switch everything over on the rest of my studio, all the tripods to Arca-Swiss in one way or another, and this is going to be one way that I convert this Gorilla pod. And hopefully with this I'll be able to again swap back and forth, no problem, especially out in the field, and just be a lot more convenient. So, what's in the box? Ooh, it comes with 3 different size Allen wrenches. Nice. It has, and then the ball head itself. And qualified certificate. Okay, so it was tested and approved. Now, it is, everything is metal. On the side it has a little cold shoe there. Nice. Yep, it does have Arca-Swiss. Now it's quite a bit smaller than my other Arca-Swiss tripod mount, but it looks like it will fit because it has very, very similar width on it. So all you do is give it a little twist, pop that off, put it back on, give it another twist, and it's on there nice and secure. That's what I want. So how do we install it? Very easy. All we do is we go on the bottom of the tripod that you want to take apart. Now you do have to take off the screw mount at the bottom. Unfortunately, it is not the type that has Allen screws. It has to be a flathead. You can probably use a coin or something too, but I'm going to try to use just a regular old flathead here. Seems to be coming off pretty easy. Okay, so there's a screw. Supposedly this comes right off. Oh, I just had to be a little more aggressive. So it does pull right off. Then this should be able to go right on there. Just line it up. Get it started. Now we just tighten it on down. And there we go. Now we have a Gorilla tripod with an Arca-Swiss head. Ha ha ha! Look at that. Awesome. Okay, now all we have to do is test to see if it'll actually work. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Pop this thing on. Make sure we line up the slots. Twist it down. It works. That's what I wanted. And now I'm just curious to see if the other mount should be able to just fit right in there. Tight down. And there you go. So the mounts, even though one's thicker than the other, they are interchangeable. Awesome.